Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the phone. Make sure it has at least 20% battery so the boot sequence won't die mid-process. Once done, power the Moto off completely. If it won't power down, hold power for 10 seconds. You should also note the Google account tied to the phone. This matters after the reset. Next, position your finger for the button combo. You'll press power plus volume down to enter the bootloader. Do that now to continue to the recovery menu. Once in the bootloader, use the volume down key to highlight recovery mode and press power to select it. The Moto logo may show first, then an Android with a red exclamation. When you see that, hold power and tap volume up to enter recovery. Now navigate with volume keys to wipe data/factory reset and press power to confirm. This erases user data and the pattern lock. Wait while the device performs the wipe. It may take several. After the factory reset completes, choose Reboot System now and let the phone start. The pattern lock will be removed, but the phone may request the original Google credentials for activation. This is Android device protection. If you have those credentials, sign in to finish setup. If the phone still stalls at boot, repeat the recovery wipe once more or try a different timing for the button sequence. If nothing works, consider contacting Motorola support or using authorized service tools to avoid hardware damage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.